I'm taking a picture of my video camera surveillance. This is last night. There's a thing that lands on my trailer at night and it gives off a light. You see that dome? But they're two different things, because one makes a perfect half circle dome, and then this one makes kind of like a wonky egg shape, or what is the almost a triangle type of a dome. And I even have a photograph, which I'm going to post, where two of them, the full this shape one and the one that does the full half dome, was on top of my trailer one night. And this has been going on for about at least 3 months nonstop. I don't know what they're trying to monitor or whatever, but they have no right putting anything on my trailer, on my physical property. Bad enough they're doing all this aerial surveillance for no damn reason, and I have not 1 minute's peace or privacy. But they've been putting things on my trailer, trying to steal data, get into my Wi-Fi, hack my stuff, record everything I say and do, and I'm really beyond tired of this bullshit. This is a real good photograph though, so you can see the egg-shaped thing is the light it's giving off. I don't know if you can see towards the bottom the actual shape of the object that's letting off that light. And then there's another one which I'm going to add that has a full half circle shape to it. But this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous, and an absolute invasion of my privacy, my constitutional rights, you name it, and trespassing, and a violation of FCC and FAA laws.